Very good morning, students. How are you? I think you may all are fine, right? All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. Students, in last class we have learnt facts about fractions, right? A fraction and what is proper fraction, improper fraction, and like fractions, unlike fractions, and equivalent fractions, mixed fractions, and all, right? Students, in this class, let us learn more about fractions. Okay. In exercise number 4.1, in that, first main simplify the given fractions. In that, first, for example, 25 by 30. Okay, 25 over 30. So here 25 and 30 completely divides by 5. Okay, all of you see here 5 5 is okay, 5 5 is 25 and 5 6 is 30. Okay, so we got 5 by 6, 5 over 6. Okay, like another example 18 by 36 or 18 over 36. Okay, so here given numbers are completely divides by 6. Okay, 6 3 is 18 and 6 6 is 36. Okay, so here we got 3 over 6 or 3 by 6. Again this 3 and 6 completely divides by 3 only. Okay, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay, so we got 1 by 2. Okay, and next second main, find the lowest common denominator for each part by the division method. Okay, here for example 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 3 over 4. Okay, here numerators are 1 2 3 and denominators are 2 3 and 4, right? Here first we need to find the LCM, lowest common multiple for denominators. Okay, 2 3 4. Okay, all of you see here 2 3 and 4. Okay, 2 3 and 4. Students, remember the LCM by common division method. Okay, so here the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the given number here is 2, right? 2 2 ones are 2 and bring down 3 as it is, and 2 twos are 4, right? And here we got 1 3 2. Okay, again the smallest prime number which divides at least one of these number, again 2. Okay, bring down 1 as it is and 3 as it is. Okay, from 2 we can't divide 3, right? Bring down 3 as it is, and 2 ones are 2. Okay, here we got 1 3 1. Okay, here again smallest prime number which divides at least one of these number is again 3 here. Okay, bring down 1 as it is. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and bring down this 1 here. Okay, so LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. Okay, 12 is the LCM. So here the lowest common denominator is 12. Thus lowest common denominator is 12. Okay. Students, here another example 5 over 6, 7 over 8, 9 over 10. Okay. Here numerators are 5, 7 and 9 and denominators are 6, 8 and 10. Okay. Now we need to find the LCM. Okay. Least common multiple for 6, 8 and 10. Okay. All of you see here 6, 8 and 10. Okay, so the LCM of 6 8 10 is the lowest common denominator. Okay, so here the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the given numbers here is 2, right? 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, here we got 3 4 5, right? Again here the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the given number here is again 2 only. Okay, from 2 we can't divide, bring down 3 as it is. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Okay, from 2 we can't divide 5, bring down 5 as it is. Okay, here we got 3 2 5, right? And again the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the given number here is 2 only. Okay, from 2 we can't divide 3, bring down as it is. Okay, 2 ones are 2. Okay, and 5 is also we can't divide from 2. Okay, bring down 5 as it is. Okay, now we got 3 1 5. Okay, so the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the given number here is now 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. Okay, bring down 1 as it is. From 3 we can't divide 5, bring down 5 as it is. Okay, here we got 1 1 5, right? Here again the smallest prime number which divides at least one of the given number here is now 5. Okay, bring down 1 as it is, and this one is also as it is. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Okay, so the LCM is equal to 2 into, okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120, right? All of you see here 24 into 5. Okay, 5 4s are 20, right? 0 here, take 2 carry, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 10 plus 2 12. Okay, 120. So we got 120 is the LCM, least common multiple. Thus lowest common denominator is 120. Okay, and next compare given fractions by finding the LCM of the denominator. Okay, so here for example 2 over 3 and 4 over 5. Okay, here denominators are 3 and 5 and numerators are 2 and 4. Okay, now we need to find the LCM for 3 and 5. Okay, denominators 3 and 5. Okay, all of you see here 3 and 5. Okay, by common division method. The smallest prime number which divides at least one of the given number here is 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. Okay, from 3 we can't divide 5, bring down as it is. Okay, now we got 1 and 5. Okay, the smallest prime number which divides one of the given number here is again 5. Okay, bring down 1 as it is. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Okay, so the LCM is equal to 3 into 5. Okay, we got 3 5s are 15. 15 is the LCM, right? So here 2 over 3. Okay, here 2 over 3, right? So here the denominator 3 divides completely by 5, 15. LCM 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay, right here. And here denominator 3 completely divides 15, right? So right here 5. Okay, 5 by 5. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Okay, and 3 5s are 15. Okay, we got 10 over 15. Okay, here 4 over 5. Okay, here denominator 5 completely divides 15, right? 5 3s are 15. Okay, write 3 here and here also. Okay, now 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. Okay, here we got 10 over 15 and 12 over 15. Okay, here denominators are same now. Okay, now it will become like fraction, right? Now we need to compare the numerator. Okay, this is numerator, this is denominator. Okay, now we need to compare numerators. Okay, here numerators are 10 and 12, right? Here 10 is smaller, 12 is greater. Okay, 10 is smaller compared to 12. Okay, so now compare the given fractions. So here 2 over 3 is smaller. Okay, compared to the 4 over 5. Okay, so here 2 by 3 is smaller compared to 4 by 5. Okay. Fill in the blanks for equivalent fractions. Okay. Here, for example, 7 over 10 is equal to, here they were given blank dash over 20. Okay. So here 7 is numerator, 10 is denominator, right? Here numerator is missing, right? Here denominator is 20. Now we need to find the missing numerator. Okay, all of you see here, missing numerator is equal to, now we need to do cross multiplication. Okay, 7 into 20 over 10. Okay, so here from 10 10 ones are 10 twos are. Okay, so we got 7 into 2, right? 7 into 2, 7 twos are 14. Okay, so here missing numerator is 14. Okay, 14 over 20, 7 over 10 is equal to 10 over 20 is the equivalent fractions, right? So in equivalent fractions have the same value even though the numerator and denominators are different. Okay. Students, in this class we have learnt simplifying the given fractions and to find the lowest common denominator for each part by division method and comparing the given fractions by finding the LCM of the denominators. Right, if you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you.